Hello, so yun na nga, good morning. Today we're Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Day 6 post Botox injection and ito na yung result. Pagka I try to yung move my eyebrows, yan masyadong mag-fold yung or magkakaroon ng crease dito sa area na to. Tapos pero dito sa part na to, like pagka nagaganyan ako, hindi full pa rin yung movement niya. Feel ko full pa rin. Pero dito wala, sobrang na siya, na immobilize na. Tapos dito sa side na to, dun sa crow's feet area, lateral portion of the eye. Yan, so ganyan yung movement niya. So anyway, parang nafe-feel ko naman na there's a lot of changes since the first time na gawa yung procedure, yung Botox injection. And then ito na. Yan. So siguro kailangan ko na rin talaga ng regimen ng skincare para at least pantay yung yung balance yung sa balat, pantay siya, tapos smooth. And then maintenance na lang siguro. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like what you're seeing, the updates on my Botox injection, and have a good day.